So I started at the college in 2018 when I was appointed as a full-time lecturer within the engineering department. I then progressed on to senior lecturer, deputy head of school and most recently head of school for engineering.
So I started with the college in 2007, started in pathways training as a tutor assessor, moved into construction as a lecturer, moved on as a senior lecturer in construction before becoming deputy head of building engineering services and then head of construction and the built environment in 2023.
So I worked in industry for 4 years, completing an apprenticeship, and upon completion I came back to do my foundation degree within the college to gain more fundamental basics within mechanical engineering, and wanting then to share that knowledge with the future generation is what inspired me to pursue a career within NPTC group of colleges.
I originally studied business and I came into the college originally assessing key skills, maths and English. Then Carl James picked up that I could do some BTEC units for IT and some of the more business ones within that in construction. And then I enjoyed working in construction so much I decided to study my HNC in construction and the built environment, which the college funded. And just things grew from there really. The college has supported me humongously in my career, from part funding a degree, fully funding a master's qualification, funding me to do my Institute of Leadership and Management qualifications 3, 5 and 7, as well as other professional qualifications along the way.
So as one of the only women coming into the engineering department, I didn't think it was tough. I've had a lot of support being a previous student and knowing all of the other lecturers. It was quite easy to come in and settle. But there's now 3 of us working within the department, so the team is getting a lot more diverse and seeing a lot more students coming through as well. You know, we've got a diverse range of students within all sectors, with the mechanical, the automotive, even welders.
I say it's a fantastic industry to get involved in. It's always growing and expanding. As a female construction head, I've always been well supported and welcomed into the industry, and it's a great place to be. It's fantastic to see such a diverse industry and an industry where we recruit people based on their skills and the qualities they bring to their roles. It's been fantastic. It's also been excellent to be involved with programmes such as Women Building Wales, where we're actively encouraging females to enter the industry.
I'd encourage anyone who's looking at going into the engineering or construction fields to go for it. When you're recruited into these roles, we're looking at the qualities and skills of a person who are coming in, so anyone who is interested, then yeah, definitely.